Sahana Bhavatu my tribe. So here I am with amazing Shivratri, simple, amazing and workable upais for Shivratri. First, let me start by saying happy Shivratri to all of you because it's a very important day once a year that we can do something to fulfill our wishes and of course offer our prayers to Shivji. Okay, Shivratri is a wedding of Shiv and Parvati, the main day where the Shiv Shakti got together, right? So it's considered as one of the most powerful days, right? What can be more powerful than Shiv and Shakti? क्या हो सकता है इससे ज्यादा पावरफुल? कुछ भी नहीं. Shivling is a perfect example of that. Okay, now these upayas are very simple, but let me first start with Shivji, who's a wish fulfillment lord, right? He's so bhola, he's so sweet that he will listen to you, and whatever you are, whoever you are, from any part of the world, you are of any religion, Shivji is going to listen to you. He doesn't care who you are. You have asked him for something, he's going to give it to you. And if it doesn't happen, that means you have a lot of karmic baggage, right? You have to check on that, right? So Shivji's Panchakshar mantra, basically Om Namah Shivaya, consists of 5 elements, right? We all know the 5 elements, right? 5 जो हमारे elements है उनसे बना होता है Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, air, water, earth, metal and ether. Shivji is also responsible for time and space. Time and space is so important. We have to be at the right time, at the right place, right? Time and space belongs to him. He determines everything in our life, right? So, simple thing like, the first thing I will mention is simple thing like offering some bel patal to Shivji or dhatura to Shivji. What does it mean? The 3 leaves, have you seen bel patal which is offered to Shivji consists of 3 leaves. So whenever you go buy the bel patal, always make sure the 3 leaves are intact. Sometimes they give you the broken ones. Don't buy that. Don't go for it. It's better than not to offer that to Shivji, okay? The 3 leaves signifies Rajas, Tamas and Satvik, right? All the 3, Rajas, Tamas and Satvik, belong to Shivji. The 5 elements belong to Shivji. So what is left, right? Everything is started with Shiv. Everything ends with Shiv. कितना खूबसूरत बात है ना? बहुत खूबसूरत बात है. सब कुछ शुरू और सब कुछ खत्म शिव से ही होता है, राइट? शक्ति भी शिव की ही एक, शी इज पार्ट ऑफ हिम. सो टुगेदर they make the most powerful combination, right? Lot of people are going through Shani Mahadasha, Sadesati. Shani is coming in Lagna in Pisces. Lot of people are going to get affected. What to do? I've already given one upay of keeping the silver coin in one of my videos. Now I'm going to give you a upay for Shani, Rahu, Ketu. Shani especially because there is a lot of Shani ka dhaiya, Sadesati going on, and especially for people who are suffering from this. This upay of Shivratri and Bhairav is going to benefit you a lot, right? So the first thing I will say is you have to offer, of course, like I said, bel patal, dhatura, right? Offer some, suppose you're going through some kind of relationship issues, right? So you offer some curd mixed with sugar to Shivji on Shivratri, or just make one panchamrit. Water means Ganga Jal, and if you don't have Ganga Jal, you can use plain water. Water, dahi, curd, that is sugar, honey, ghee, tulsi, okay, all together mixed. You make a panchamrit and of course little milk. Make a panchamrit and offer that. What happens when you offer panchamrit? Your relationship issues get solved, your money problems get solved, okay, and Shivji gets very pleased. So he will fulfill all your wishes. Now you have Shivji at home or in temple, it doesn't matter. But I would suggest is, even if you have Shivling at home, after you do the morning ritual of offering the Panchamrit, doing your puja and everything, 100% go to the temple also and offer the same thing, because I'll tell you the difference. At home, we are the only ones who are doing the puja, and in the temple, there are a lot of lakhs of people who are doing the same thing. So the power in the temple is definitely 100 lakh times more than what we do at home. So going to the temple that day is a very important practice. When I was a younger girl, when I didn't have so much work, I used to get up 6 in the morning or 5 in the morning, walk bare feet to Shivji's temple. So if you can do that, that will be wonderful. The other thing is chanting Mahamrityunjay Jap. Now Mahamrityunjay Jap is very important on this day because it helps you to get rid of all the health issues. You won't have any health issues, or if somebody is not feeling well or you are not going through a good time in health, chanting Mahamrityunjay Jap is very important. Now everybody cannot do 1 mala, 2 mala, 3 mala. If you can do 1 mala, perfectly fine. Or just do it 9 times. Or even if you do it just once, from all your heart, concentrating only on Shivji's energy. Now how are you going to concentrate? You're just going to imagine Shivji in your mind and chant this mantra. Even that is enough. Doing it with your pure heart is important, because Shivji is all about clear heart, pureness. So he does not see how many rituals you have done. He sees how clear your heart is. He is one God who is very easy to please, but at the same time, he's intention based. So if you don't have a clear heart, he's not going to be happy with you. Remember this. Chanting his mantra, Mahamrityunjay, with a clear heart even once does the magic. Believe me. Okay? Now, the other mantra that you can chant is Om Namo Bhagavate Rudrai Namaha. Okay? Om Namo Bhagavate Rudrai Namaha. This mantra will actually help you manifest a lot in your life. You sit there, again, like I said, you can do 1 mala, 3 malas, 5 malas if you have more time. If you don't have time, just do it for 9 times or 11 times or 21 times. Okay? Do this because this will help you in creating an energy. See what chanting does for us. Let me tell you first. Chanting creates an energy circle. Like we make those energy circle, right? To emit energy, that positive energy in your life. Same way, when we are holding a mala and we are chanting, so what happens is, when we are chanting, that energy is created at that time. And when you are putting your positive intention, you are definitely going to get what you are asking for. So, Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Namah is basically a mantra for manifestation. Do this mantra and manifest anything that you want. Anything, including removal of negativity. Okay? Now, one very simple upaya I will give you to removal of negativity is offering a little sarso ka tel also. After you do your Panchamrit on Shivji, take some sarso ka tel, rub that also on Shivling, and then pour your Ganga Jal and water. See how you will get rid of all the black magic, nazar dosh, anything that you have. Very, very simple upayas, but very, very good ones. Okay? Now, people who are going through Sadesati, people who are going through a lot of Shani dosh, work has become slow, health is not doing well, things are not moving in a positive direction. Now, the next day of Shivratri is Amavasya. Now, these upayas that I'm giving you can be done on any Mondays, any important Shivji days, or on any Amavasya if you want to get rid of Shani dosh. Okay? Starting from the next day of Shivratri, the only person who can save you is our Bhairav, the Roop of Shivji, the Guru of Shani. You know, Bhairav is actually the teacher of Shani. So Shani will not disturb you if Bhairav Baba is there. And Shani is a very important factor in Kali Yuga. Shani, Rahu and Ketu. Alright? Kal Bhairav can save us from all the karmic debts, from all the black magic, negativity, any obstacles if you have. If you have any kind of, you're not getting promotion, you're working very hard, but you're going into a same cycle, your career growth is not happening, your personal growth is not happening, your relationships are not good, your health is not good, Kal Bhairav is the key. Believe me. Bhairav Baba actually helps you. I myself have been going to Bhairav temple very often. Okay. Now there is a Bhairav Kal also, which you will have to check, which comes on normally on Sundays. Okay. Now, which I'll speak about in some time. Now the next day of Shivratri is Amavasya. So on that day, now Shivratri is over, but the energy of Shivratri still exists. And Amavasya is all about Kalima, Bhairav Baba, right? And all the karmic energies. So what you need to do, that all the upayas that you do on that day, the next day of Shivratri also, is going to help you with making Shani very happy. Okay? Now, to get Bhairav Baba on our side, what do you need to do? I want to please Bhairav Baba, and I want him to always be there for me whenever I'm in trouble. Okay, one is chanting his mantra, of course, Om Kal Bhairavaya Namah. But the other thing is that you offer little alcohol. If you offer little alcohol, any type of alcohol, you don't have to go for the expensive ones. Go for the reasonable one. Offer Bhairav Baba some alcohol. First, please him to get him on your side on the next day of Shivratri. Okay? Bhairav Baba is going to be very pleased with you. Right? Then you light Charmukhi Diya. Okay? If you get Charmukhi Diya, buy that. If you don't, make one at home with atta and take it. And light Charmukhi Diya in front of Bhairav Baba. Okay? Then, Bhairav Baba is completely on your side. Sit there. Chant his mantra 3 times, 9 times, 11 times, or do a full mala. Om Kala Bhairavaya Namah. If not Kala Bhairava, you can just say Om Bhairavaya Namah. Okay? Chant this. Kal Bhairav is never going to leave your side, believe me. All your Sade Sati, Dhaiya, everything is taken care of. Why? Because he is the Guru of Shani. Okay? Now, the second remedy you need to do is, you'll tell me, madam, where to buy it? I'll tell you where to buy it. It's on Amazon and it's very much available. You can even buy a quarter kilo of black rice. You get black rice. Just Google it. Go on Amazon. Go online. You will buy little bit of black rice. Okay? It's a little expensive, but buy it. Put it in a white cloth, muslin cloth. Make a potli and offer it to Kalima on that same day, on Amavasya day. Okay? You will see all the protection, all the happiness. Why? Because there is a relation between Kalima and Kal Bhairav. He gets very happy when you please Kalima. Okay? The other, I will give you the other upay which is done on the Shivratri day, but right now this is enough. Okay? So here you will offer alcohol. You will offer Kalima black rice on Amavasya day. You will notice a lot of change after that. But don't do it, just do it. Whenever you offer something, offer with your intention. See, there is no harm in asking gods and goddesses what we want, because they are like our parents. How we ask our parents whatever we want, we can ask. Some people I've heard, they say, Arey, Bhagwan se kya mangna? Bhagwan to de dete. Arey, de dete hain, but God also works on free will, right? So if you do something with an intention, okay, then it is going to manifest very well. If you don't, then it becomes tamasic. You know what's tamasic? Tamasic is something that is not considered positive. Okay? अगर आप कोई चीज ऑफर कर रहे हो भगवान को बिना इंटेंशन के, बिना प्रेयर्स के, it will not be, वो अर्पण नहीं होगा. It won't be accepted by the gods, goddesses. Okay? So there has to be a intention Even if the intention is of worship, making your spiritual side very high, or anything, or just saying that Kalima bless me, that is also an intention. So you have to speak out an intention, otherwise it is not accepted by the gods, goddess. Remember this. This is a very wrong notion that we just give it and God will give it to us. He will give it to you, but you have to give it or offer it with an intention. Anything, even if it's just the blessing of the God. Okay, so make it little intention based, then it won't become tamasic. Okay, it will be offered with love and care, and that love and care will be reciprocated by that deity. Right? These are the two things. On Shivratri day, one more thing you can do, okay, for your growth, for your money, right, for your prosperity. Take a tulsi plant, buy one. Even if you have a tulsi plant, buy another tulsi plant. Why can't we have 2 tulsi plants or 3 tulsi plants? Okay, buy one and take 21 rupees. Exactly 21 rupees. Take a 20 rupees note and 1 rupee coin, or even if you want to do it in coins, that's enough. Tie it in a potli, any color potli except for black, of course, and bury it in the tulsi plant that day and keep it wherever you keep it. You will see a lot of growth in your life. Okay, pray to Ma Tulsi to help you, because that day is very, very powerful. Remember that. That day is very, very powerful. So anything you do on that day is going to manifest very quickly for you. It's just not about Shivji's marriage or worshipping Shivji. But that day is so powerful, so powerful, that it is going to really, if you have pure intention, Shivji is going to make it happen for you. Right? One more thing, don't forget, whenever you go to any temple, don't forget to offer some durva to Ganeshji, and again buy some chara and offer it to Nandi. Okay? Because Shivji also listens to Nandi. Don't forget on Shivratri day to offer Nandi chara. Keep some chara for Nandi and go and offer some to the cows also, if there are cows over there. Or if you can find a tabela. Because Shivji that day will look at all your deeds, unconditional deeds. So the more unconditional deeds you do that day, the more you are manifesting good things in your life, whatever you want. It's not that you'll just get one thing. Whatever you wish on Shivratri, you will get. Kal Bhairav, same thing you will get if you please him. So both are Shivji and Shivji's Roop, who is the authority of our culture, who's the Kshetrapal, right? Who's the doorkeeper. So both the Roops, if you are pleasing, this Shivratri is going to be one of the most powerful ones. All the remedies that I have told you. Any confusion, please comment in the comment box. I'll reply to you. Okay? And after this is done, tell me after a month or two what results you got, and definitely on the comments, I will really appreciate it. Okay? So Bhairav Baba ki jai ho. He's going to save us. He's going to help us with all the Sadesatis, all the Shani, all the Rahu, all the Ketu. And of course, mere bhole bhole Shivji. Okay? He's going to give his kripa 100% to my tribe. So use these remedies well. Very simple as usual and very effective as usual. And do comment in the comment box. How did you like this video and what more do you want me to make? Alright? That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Hari Om Tat Sat.